part of my hauling business, I haul sawdust for people. My dump truck's still broke. I'm at a Amish sawmill by the house. It's the best place to get sawdust, fairly inexpensive. And this time of year, horse people need a lot of it. So I'm using the Mort's 14-foot dump trailer. The tarp was already rolled out, so I just leave it out because it's kind of a pain to roll back up evenly. I do it at the end, so I just flip it over the front like I have right now. I get 2 buckets of sawdust. That's 6 yards, and I sell it for $150, tax and delivery included. So I'm gonna go deliver this to a horse farm. This is the second load, 2 buckets. And yeah, it keeps me going in the winter because gravel slows down. So it literally takes me about less than a minute. I just unfolded it, walked it back over, put the bar in these dogs, and then you tighten it up. If you wanted to go farther, the tarps do have eyelets in them. You could take bungees and hook them along the sides to keep your tarp from flapping around. This one does pretty good. I just like to keep it on top, the pressure, down pressure. You'll lose a little bit, but not much. You should, if you're hauling sawdust, you definitely need to cover it because it blows everywhere. The dump truck's got that rollout tarp. That's primarily what I use, but being that it's broke, using the dump trailer. Before on my other one, I don't have a tarp, so I would put a tarp over it and tie it down, but this is much better. And then here I just lock this down and crank it up. And then stow the handle, put it in, and we're good to go. Rolling it up, it doesn't always roll up evenly. I wish it did, but it's not too bad. It's definitely a nice system to have on the trailer. I like it, especially for the sawdust. Lastly, please subscribe. It's free, and it really helps get my channel growing and allows me to buy more equipment and stuff to make videos and things like that. So it's just a small thing that you can do that helps channels grow big time. Thanks. Also, this here is a hemlock mill. All they mill is hemlock. It makes awesome boards, and I guess it has something in the wood that the bugs don't really like. So hemlock is awesome, especially if you're building cabins and such. But the big thing with horses, do not use walnut. Walnut is toxic to horses, so if they're milling walnut, you do not want that sawdust for horses. Everything else that I know of is okay. All right.